Voice of the Naga youth has strongly condemned the attack at Bitiang Naga village, which resulted in the death of a Naga village guard. In a press note issued yesterday, Voice of the Naga youth accused that the attack was carried out by Cobra team in coalition with Zuf-J. It further maintained that Naga village guards exist because the government of India and security forces have failed to take proper measures to address the infiltration of Kuki refugees, Kuki narco-terrorists. It also blamed government of India for giving free hands to Kuki Sioux groups. While asserting that Nagas have never ill-treated travelers, visitors or families, Voice of the Naga youth said Kuki community has taken advantage of the generosity and hospitality of Naga people. It added that the incident at Bitiang Naga village involving Cobra team and Zuf-J is a modus operandi of fratricide in the name of securitization. Voice of the Naga youth also asserted that history will remember that government of India failed to address the local geopolitics of narcotics, influx of refugees and arms trafficking. It further added that history will remember Indian government for failing to protect its citizens.